Hello and welcome back to Paul Sherry Conversion Vans. Justin Smith, really excited to highlight some of our first 2020 vans to hit the lot. That's right, 2020, they are here folks, and they are ready for immediate delivery anywhere in the United States. So let's go ahead and get started. What I have behind me is a 2020 Ram ProMaster 3500 159-inch wheelbase extended. That's right guys, extended. That means you get an additional 14 inches behind the rear wheels. It does spread out throughout the cab a little bit, but the most important thing is it gives you more storage behind the rear sofa. Now this thing is obviously black, one of my favorite colors in a conversion van. Features 17-inch black and alloy wheels wrapped in a Goodyear tire, okay? All of our conversion vans, guys, are front wheel drive and feature the 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. Now, big question, does it have enough power? Absolutely guys, 288 horsepower will ensure no matter what you encounter, this thing can handle it. Exposed running boards on both sides, rear privacy glass on all of our vans, all the way around the back, and on the inside, guys, we even have privacy shades. Now, moving along to the back, this is a segment where I like to go over some of the safety features, and this thing is jam-packed with them, guys, featuring factory backup sensors located right here in the bumper. We do have a rear backup camera, and Ram really thought this out. A lot of manufacturers throw them off to one side or the other. Doesn't really make sense. Ours is top dead in center, guys, so it's going to give you an accurate visual of whatever might be behind you. And again, if you're not paying attention to that rear backup camera on your navigation screen, you're going to get an audible alert that's going to scream at you and let you know something's back here. Now this van also features traction control, anti-lock brakes, hill start brake assist, and more important, rollover mitigation with a high profile vehicle such as this. Now if you got any questions on those safety features, how they work and what they do, give me a call and I'd be happy to go over that with you. But without further ado, everybody wants to know what's in the back of one of these vans, and we're going to jump right into this and show you guys here in a second. But before we do that, I want to talk about our manual sliding door. Yes, it is a manual sliding door. It's very easy to operate. But we do offer a power door kit if that is needed. Now, if anybody out there is looking for mobility, you don't want to pass up on this, because our van has the highest interior height, 6'4" inside, guys, the lowest entry point, okay, of only 21 inches? 21 inches off the ground. And with our door virtually going all the way to the roof, guys, there's no need for raised doors, which are obviously needed in a lot of mobility vans out there. All these captain chairs, guys, in this van are on a swivel base, as you see right here. Our seat belts are built right inside, so no matter which way this seat is facing, you're going to be safe and secure at all time. Leather interior, obviously, guys, gray with a black trim package inside. And this thing is absolutely loaded, guys. As I mentioned on the outside of the van, all the rear windows in the back do have a privacy shade. It's really easy to use, very functional, and being a 9-passenger van, what you're going to get is 4 captain chairs, as which I'm sitting in right now, and then a rear power sofa, which Brian will highlight for you later on in this video. Now, as far as safety goes for child seats, guys, we got you covered. There's tether hooks on all the captain chairs, and they're located down here. Can't really show you. But there are also anchors on the backside of these captain chairs. Now, as far as entertainment goes, this is a Waldoch van, and I tell you guys, they did not take any corners, step any corners, so to speak, on this van. Fully loaded with a 32-inch power LED television, okay? We'll demonstrate that here in a little bit. And also, they feature a Jensen multimedia system right here. Now, this thing packs a lot of power, and it does everything from one unit. So when I say it does everything, this thing has an FM AM tuner, okay? It is Bluetooth capable, has a CD slot, which also is a DVD player as well, okay? And above that, we have these component switches right here, a 110 plug-in, a 12-volt DC, and a USB and an HDMI input. So anything that uses HDMI connectivity, can be utilized in this van and transferred directly to the screen. Even if it uses the old style components like an old Nintendo, even an Atari can be hooked up to this entertainment system. And as far as the entertainment system goes, we do have surround sound speakers throughout the back of this van, and also does feature 4 wireless headsets. So guys, this thing is absolutely loaded, gorgeous. If you got any questions on the back of this van, what's available, how this stuff works, again, Justin Smith, give me a call and I can go over all that stuff today. But let's jump up into the front of the van at this point. As you can see, when I was getting out of the back of the van, I kind of hesitated a little bit because you can actually walk from the back to the front of this van, okay? Not gonna lie, it's been a while since Brian and I have done these videos, you know, with everything going on, we hope you're being safe. We're doing our part to keep it safe here at the dealership, but the front of this van is just as nice as the back, guys. Same leather material that you see in the back that I demonstrated, and both captain chairs up here in the front of this van are on a 8-way adjustable pedestal. They'll slide forward and back, up and down. They do feature lumbar. Obviously they recline and do feature factory heat. And even the armrests on the inside of each chair are adjustable, so you can adjust the angle on these armrests to whatever's comfortable for you. Now, as far as the steering wheel goes, nice leather wrap wheel in all of our ProMaster vans with steering wheel controls on both sides of the airbag. So these are going to do multiple things for you. That's going to allow you to pretty much control everything in the front of this van without taking your hands off the steering wheel. It does have Bluetooth capability, so you can do a hands-free phone call without taking your hands off the wheel. Excellent, excellent feature. Now, as far as power equipment goes in the front of this van, it's got all the amenities you would expect: power windows, keyless entry, so it's got all that kind of stuff as well, cruise control, telescopic wheel, so it's fully loaded. Now, as far as the front radio in this van does feature the Uconnect 5.0 radio, which uses a TomTom interface, is touchscreen, and does have navigation, and allows you to do stuff Bluetooth as well. You can transfer music files through the Bluetooth. You do have a 3.5mm auxiliary cable to transfer audio files. And as far as charging goes, there's plenty of charging ports up in the front of this van. Front passenger features a USB and a 12-volt DC, and the driver does have a USB as well that will charge and is directly wired to the radio. Guys, that pretty much wraps up this whole conversion van inside and out. If there's any questions on this van, maybe something I didn't cover, guys, we have a ton of inventory here. Maybe it's another van that you like here at the dealership. Do not hesitate to give us a call. And again, we do deliver anywhere in the United States. And if you got any questions, give me a call, 1-800-678-4188. Thanks for your time. I hope you have a great day.